And I'm Sean. Together we are brothers. Hi, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Hi, today we're gonna name all our animal toys.
And the big
What is this animal?
What this big animal?
Orca. What is this, Xavi?
A seahorse and 2 spikes.
What is this, Xavi?
Chicken.
What is this, Xavi?
Llama. No, a sheep.
What is this?
Oh, it's walking. It's walking.
What is this?
Giraffe.
What starts with the letter? What starts with giraffe?
G.
What's good job? What is this?
Sea turtle.
What is this?
B.
What is this?
Horse.
What is this?
Polar bear. Pins.
What is this?
And a frog. And a poison frog.
What is this?
Oh,
What starts with the letter? What is this?
kangaroo.
What is this one?
Lion.
What is this one?
Dragonfly. And fly.
This is a
Rhinoceros.
what starts with the
And
letter?
a blue butterfly. See what
Is this animal?
and the snake and blue and black and orange, black thing.
What is this, Xavi?
Donkey. And 2 things. A is an alligator, mommy.
What?
See? And cell
What is
phone,
this,
mommy.
Xavi?
And blue, but no dolphin.
What starts with
What's this?
bottlenose dolphin?
What's this? Orange! What's orange?
What is this, Xavi?
A centipede. And what's this?
What starts with the centipede?
And the one.
What is this?
A triceratops.
Good job. What is this?
What is a whale shark? What?
This is a
Kiwi. And
good job.
laughing.
Mhm.
What's laughing? Spider. And tarantula spider.
What is this?
And a hornbeetle. What?
What is this, Xavi?
An eosant.
What starts with the letter of the eel?
What is
What is eel?
E?
Good job. What is this?
Duck. Quack, 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 quack.
What is this?
Pig. Oink, oink, oink,
What's
oink.
the letter of the pig?
P.
What is this?
A giant ant.
Good job.
It's so scary.
What
It's
letter?
so scary, Mommy. So scary.
What letter is the ant?
A.
What is this?
A cow or something. What? White. Black.
What's the letter of the cow?
C.
Good job. What is this?
Butterfly. B.
Good job. What is this?
Manta ray. M. M for manta ray.
Good job. And what starts with the letter of the manta ray? What is the letter of the hippo?
H.
What is this?
Flamingo.
What is the letter of the flamingo?
F.
What is this?
Goat.
What starts with the letter of the goat?
I
What starts with the letter of the goat?
got G.
What is this?
Giant ladybug.
What starts?
What's laughing?
What starts with the ladybug?
It's red.
What starts with the ladybug? L?
P.
What is this?
C for zebra. Nay.
Good job.
I got it.
What is this?
A tiger. Roar. Roar.
What starts with the letter of the tiger?
T.
Good job. What is this?
Pink octopus.
What starts with the octopus?
Pink.
Pink? Oh, what's the letter?
And white. That is why so
Yeah.
many.
What starts with the
And the ink.
what
And
starts,
side.
what starts with the letter of the octopus?
P.
What is this?
The red starfish. Spin, spin, spin.
What is this?
Black bear. Growl, growl.
What is the letter of the black bear?
B.
What is this, Xavi?
What?
What is this, Xavi?
J for jaguar.
Good job. What is this one?
T for T-Rex.
Good job.
Roar, roar. I'm going to right here.
What is this, Xavi?
A mantis and a praying mantis. Praying mantis.
Good job. What is this?
Spider ant. I know spider ant.
And what
A
is
giant
this?
scorpion. Okay. Fine.
Okay, name all the animals.
D for donkey. F for flamingo. G for sea lion. E for elephant.
Next.
S for sea turtle. D for dog. F for lion. J for jaguar. B for bear. B for bee. F for frog. G for
Good.
Seahorse. Oh, that's right. Seahorse, dragonfly. Oh. A maxwell. I hold well. Rhino. P for polar bear. S for eel. S for snake. T for tiger. Orca.
O is for orca, yeah.
A for horse. T for tiger. It's crab.
C is for crab.
P for pig. T.
C.
A chicken. S for starfish.
Yeah.
B for dolphin.
Mm-hmm.
A for alligator.
Two more.
B for butterfly.
And T is for?
Triceratops.
Yay!
Yay!
Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
And next in the video.
Bye!
The end will cupcake and botanies, duck, apple. I love apples. This is apples. Cheese, zebra, grapes, table, robot, shoes, banana, bowl, balloons, car, leaves, pencils, orange, butterfly, and for dog, ball, fish, hen, pepper, cabbage, carrot, beans, I love, and onions, tomato, potato, broccoli, cucumbers, baked pumpkin, blueberries, mushrooms, lettuce, corn. What's this?